Before use, be sure to confirm that the copper nozzle, welding wire and gas are used correctly. Next, check the red light, and be sure to adjust it if the red light is offset or not visible. Finally, check if the signal is correct. When the trigger is pulled, the trigger signal is on. When the nozzle touches the workpiece, and the clamp is securely locked to the workpiece, the secure lock signal on. When both signals are normal, return to adjust the technology. Enter the technology interface. The scan speed is 300/600 by default. The scan width is generally 3.5. The peak power can be adjusted according to demand, such as 500. The duty cycle is 100, and the frequency is 2000 without adjustment. After each change, you need to import it. Go back and you can see the changes on the home page. Laser enable, red light indication, and welding mode are all turned on by default.